Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to export Samsung Health data. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Samsung Health app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Next, scroll down through the settings page until you find the Download Personal Data option. Tap on it to continue. After that, tap the Download button at the bottom of the screen. To protect your personal health information, Samsung will ask you to verify your identity by entering your Samsung account password. Enter your password and tap Confirm. Samsung Health will then begin preparing your data for download. Depending on the amount of information stored in your account, this process may take a few moments to complete. Once the export is finished, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that your data has been downloaded successfully. The message will also show the location where the exported file has been saved, allowing you to access or back up your health records whenever needed. So that's basically how you can export Samsung Health data. That's it for this video. Thanks!